What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now, I know on my different channels I've been kind of moving different places, but I wanted to kind of primarily focus on the stock market on this channel because typically I'm talking about cryptocurrency. Everywhere you go, I'm talking about some sort of cryptocurrency. And I do love trading stocks as well. And I feel like that has kind of left, my channel, my main channel. And I'm not saying that's going to leave for good, and I may end up doing different things going forward. But there's a lot of people that care about cryptocurrency over there, so I want to keep that cryptocurrency for now. But right now, we're going to talk about stocks over here, and I want to kind of transition. It's going to be a smooth transition because the position that we're talking about here with that transition from cryptocurrency to stocks is going to be Coinbase. Trading Coinbase stock, understanding if you should invest into Coinbase stock. And this video was actually supposed to be created a couple of days ago. So seeing where Coinbase is right now is kind of interesting to see how things are, making a little bit of a move compared to the rest of the market there. So guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links down below, if you guys want to be a part of the Patreon and ask me some stock related questions over there, feel free to do so. I've gotten away from it for a while, and I really do want to get back into the short term investing as well as, some long term investing that I have in some of my positions there. So, anyways, let's go ahead and get into this. We're going to be talking about Coinbase. Now, first, I guess we could start with what is Coinbase. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency trading platform that I've been using for a long time. It's probably one of the first ones that I've used. I mean, I've been using crypto.com for a while. I've also used Coinbase. I've used, wallets, specific wallets like Trust Wallet and MetaMask. I've also traded on KuCoin. I currently hold some positions on KuCoin. If you want to check out any of those links down below, I do have links for those, exchanges, as well as Coinbase, I believe. But it's a cryptocurrency trading platform at which I've been using quite frequently. I have most of my cryptocurrency on here, and you're going to see that I have $29,000 worth of crypto that's over here. But they have a lot of cryptocurrencies that you can trade. It is a U.S. crypto exchange platform, and it is a publicly traded company. So as you see that, you're able to invest into it not only through the crypto side of things, but you're also able to invest in the overall company by investing into the stocks itself. So anyways, great crypto trading platform, has a lot of users with it and everything there. But mainly, like I said, we're talking about stocks. We're going in here, we're seeing where Coinbase is, which ticker symbol coin. What the highs were, what the lows were, when the IPO was, all of that stuff. So if you go into the monthly look for Coinbase, you're going to see that the highest price that it's gotten to was about $429, at which I was a part of the IPO. I did get into the IPO and made some money from the IPO, at which it did fall, and it fell down. And I collected that, right? It's profit that I've gained. Now it did increase back up to about 300, but then started to fall again. And you saw this really hover around these areas where it got to a high of 114, a low here of about $31, and currently it's sitting at about $71. Now, obviously, we want it to climb back, but crypto is not really the main focus right now. Cryptocurrency is kind of running a little bit while the stock market is not really making a move. And this kind of explains why Coinbase is moving in more of a positive direction today. But basically finding a way to climb back up to this 200 EMA, which the 200 EMA is at $102. And it found a way to increase all the way up to a high point of $87 in this month, but then also decreasing down to a low, or where we are right now, of $71. Now, again, this video was supposed to be made a couple of days ago. So if we look at things, basically looking at day by day, you understand that we were at a very low point here. We saw this at a lower price point. We saw this increase up to some of these higher price points on this day, which was the 15th. Things did increase a little bit. But then you see that this is back down or kind of falling in line with this 200 EMA that is here, trying to find a way, the 15 moving average, and trying to find a way to climb back to the 200 EMA And it seems like we're using the 200 EMA as a level of resistance rather than a level of support that is there. So yeah, that's really the breakdown of that. But if we look at how things have been moving in the day, we saw this at a low of $63 today and a high of $73. So it would have been a really, really good investment today, or a really good investment from previous days to where we saw it at a way lower point when I was supposed to make this video. Now, Coinbase definitely has a lot of potential, but really only has a lot of potential when the markets are moving in their favor, right? In Coinbase's favor, and not just the stock market, right? And we're talking about the crypto market. If people are investing into crypto, Coinbase succeeds. If people are not investing into crypto, Coinbase does not exceed. And you're seeing that Coinbase, and currently the crypto market is up by like 5%. 4 to 5%. It was up to a way higher point, and seeing it go from a $1 trillion market cap up to a $1.1 trillion market cap, increasing by $100 billion in a matter of about 24 to 30 hours. That's insane. That's really, really good to see that growth and that potential. And you can see that and how we are seeing that increase not only in the crypto market, but also in Coinbase. So again, we saw a pretty decent climb today. We saw a cross of the 200 EMA and the 15 moving average, seeing the 15 moving average climb and sort of, I guess, using the 200 EMA as a level of support in the short term. Definitely a good situation. Hopefully it doesn't cross that level and does see a strong bounce. We haven't seen many touch points with the 200 EMA, so don't expect it to automatically just bounce off of the 200 EMA and see it skyrocket unless crypto does sort of the same thing. Bitcoin is up by like 8%, 9% as of the recording of this video. And that's why we're seeing it continue and starting to level out at the $70, $71 range. So Coinbase is definitely a good play as long as you see the crypto market thriving as well, because it is a US-based crypto exchange, which you don't have many of them. A lot of them are overseas. You know, you can see Binance, you can see KuCoin, you can see Gate.io. A lot of them are not US-based crypto exchanges and are regulated and understanding that you see all of their financials, you see whether they're making money or losing money, and that's something that we want. So overall, I do see a lot of potential with Coinbase finding a way to get back to the 200 EMA here, climb all the way back to up to a $268 price point, but that's only when the crypto market starts to thrive. If it doesn't thrive, we're not going to see that move. But I firmly do expect crypto to run. I expect Bitcoin, Ethereum to run, ADA to run, Solana to make some moves. And if it does, we are going to see this skyrocket as well to a way higher point. So is Coinbase an investment at this point for more of a longer term position? Not saying that it's going to be over a year, just something longer than a couple of months. Yeah, I believe that we can see a lot of success as long as the markets are recovering as a whole, because this could be some sort of fake out breakout situation, which I don't see. I see it as a positive move, more bullish momentum there. So let me know your opinion that you're seeing on Coinbase. Have you invested in Coinbase? Do you hold Coinbase? Have you invested into it in the past? Were you a part of the IPO? Let me know your opinions down below related to Coinbase here. But hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.